In this video, I am going to show you how to see recently viewed items on eBay. Sign into your eBay account. Look for the My eBay link at the top right-hand corner of the eBay homepage and click on it. In the drop-down menu on the My eBay page, find and select Recently Viewed. This will take you to a page listing of all the items you've recently looked at on eBay. You can also use the search bar at the top of any eBay page to search for an item you're interested in. On the search results page, look to the left-hand side of the section titled Your Recently Viewed Items. This sidebar section will list items you've recently looked at that might be related to your search. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.